Hi, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. About a year ago, I showed you how to make citrus-infused olive oil, and that has become the second most popular video on my YouTube channel. So something tells me you might be into infused olive oil. So today, I will show you how to make rosemary-infused olive oil. This really couldn't be easier. It just requires a little patience. Here's my rosemary topiary. It's like a little tree and I love it. And it smells so good. All you have to do is touch rosemary and it releases the fragrance. I buy one of these for myself every year around Christmas time. And then I keep it healthy and use it in the kitchen all winter long until spring comes and I can use fresh rosemary outside. So anyway, you're just going to clip off a few generous sprigs. Obviously, the more you use, the stronger the flavor of your oil will be. And then in the pot, just use about a cup of olive oil. We're going to put it on the stove and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes. Add your rosemary sprigs to the olive oil. Turn the heat up to low or simmer. After about half an hour, it will start to bubble and you'll be able to smell the fragrance. It's ready then, but you can leave it longer, and the longer you leave it, the stronger the rosemary essence will be. Now what I did was, after it cooled to room temperature, I covered it and just let it sit overnight on the stove. You don't have to do that, but just let it come to room temperature, and then you're going to strain it. And pour it into your bottle. I'm using a dark bottle because it's light. That makes oil go rancid or stale. So if you have a dark bottle, use that. If you don't, just keep it in a cool, dry place, maybe in your pantry. But this will stay as fresh as your regular olive oil. Don't use expensive olive oil to do this. There's no point to doing that. Also, to use it, this is great on lamb, on chicken. You can drizzle a platter of fresh heirloom tomatoes. Yes, please. So good. Or put it in a bowl with some red pepper flakes, maybe a little garlic, and use it for dipping bread. It's so easy, so versatile, and so delicious. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, become a subscriber, and leave me a comment. Come back anytime. You're always welcome here at Home with Anita Rosner. Thank you for watching.